Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of, well, holiday from home. No idea where we're going this time. We're kind of stuck at home, aren't we? So, I don't know about you, my holiday got cancelled. I'm fine with it. I'll stay in, I'll stay home, I'll stay safe, keep myself safe, keep everyone else safe. I'm fine. It's just a bit of a shame. But anyway, so I thought we would go on holidays around the world and explore through the medium of art and whatever is in this box. Okay, yes, I have already opened it. Okay, I got excited. I've already opened it. All right, fine. Let's open it again. So what we got this time? We have inks. We have some speedball ink in blue. I can't find a name. Indigo blue. Oh, we have a bigger one in red light. Naphthalol. It's in red. Oh, we have another one, another speedball in, primrose yellow. That's pretty. We have a liner, a Staedtler pigment liner. Okay, I've not used this before. Oh, it's a teensy little chisel. I am not doing calligraphy. My normal handwriting is bad enough. We're not trying to get smart with it. Then we have a diddy little pad, 100% cotton, 140 pounds, 10 sheets cold pressed. Wow. Yeah, that's pretty thick. And we've got our information. We'll put that to the side for a minute. Oh, it's a dinky little palette with Sketchbox written on it. ASMR. Oh, that's actually really cute. Don't know how useful, but really cute. And we have a pencil. Oh, a Caran d'Ache. A posh one. Is this one of the smelly ones? No, one of them, it does actually smell of brown sugar. I can't remember what the wood is. But one of her pencils like it's a person, one of their pencils does actually smell of brown sugar. But this doesn't. This is graphwood in 3H. And we have a, wow. Okay. We have a paintbrush. Look at that. It's a little chisel. I don't think I've got one like this. What is it? A faux squirrel. Thank God it's faux squirrel. Dagger by Dynasty. And then we got a little sticker. Oh, look. It's the ink. That's really cute. So this is what we've got. I have some water prepared, which is always useful. Let's have a look. Let's swatch them out. By the way, this is the art we've got. This is weird. That freaks me out. Does that freak you out? Isn't it a weird... It's like you're looking for the eyes and they're all over the place and you know it's drawn, but wow, that's effective. It is by Alex Garrant. There's all the social stuff in case you want to read it. And this is what we got. So yes, we're using ink this time. So first off, we have our Caran d'Ache pencil. It's a pencil. It's very light. What is it? 3H. It's a very light pencil, which can be useful. Then we've got our little dinky. Look at that. Look at the size of it. Is it supposed to be a calligraphy pen? Let's have a look. It's a light, fast and waterproof. This calligraphy pen is great for line work and styles with variance in line weight. $5.10. So there you go. Let's wreck it, shall we? Whee! Yeah, that's as good as it gets, really. I mean, you can get variance in line, which is good. It'll be interesting to do something maybe a bit more rough. That'll suit me. So I've already got myself into a mess just by opening them up. So this bodes well for us. I've put some different things in. I'm going to mix them up. But look at the colour of my water already. This is the blue and green mixed. Right. So where are we going to go on holiday? Where can we go with blue, yellow, red and whatever they make? Everything really. Well, as the front of this has, well, Italy on it, kind of. And I just found this picture. I don't know. It won't say. It doesn't say where this is. It just says the Mediterranean Jewel, Italy. That's gorgeous, and it's one of the first pictures that came up when I literally put in Italy holiday, and it's rather gorgeous, so we're going to have a go at that. Very, very basically. I've got a very, very basic little group of houses, and let's just test these out first. Hopefully it won't make the pen run. Haven't left it too long, but oh, they're very, very nice colours. Very nice colours indeed. So if we mix these ones up, just a little bit of the blue, just to get an idea. And if we go sort of abstract, because just that's what I can do. I'm not the best with buildings, not the steadiest of hands, but you know, we shall try. That's the thing with ink, it dries so quickly. Can you see that? That's already dried pretty much as soon as I put it down. But we shall endeavour. So a bit more of the blue. Do a bit of shading. There we go. Right, did I put yellow in this? Is that, yeah, I did. It's completely engulfed by one spot of the red, but that's rather pretty. Let's try that for a roof colour maybe. Yeah, I'm liking it. I am liking it, definitely. What if we do the blue? Blue and the red, get a bit of purple going. A bit of a muddy purple, but maybe for a bit of shading of the roof area. I mean, I'm liking this. I'm definitely liking this. Maybe here as well. This idea of just maybe some cascading buildings. And we shall go to Italy, and it'll be fine. It'll be fine. So here we are, off to Italy, wherever this picture was taken. I've had another look. I can't find where this is, but I'm sure it's fine. But anyway, yeah, I use the Caran d'Ache pencil. It's very light. It doesn't rub out very well. I don't know if that's a thing, but it didn't seem to rub out very well. But it's fine. It's so light, it doesn't really matter that much. I still managed to rub out what I needed. But anyway, I have a very unsteady hand. It's just a thing. So I kind of used this chisel to be a bit looser, I guess, with my lines. Sorry about it keeps focusing on my hand rather than the picture, which I recognise is quite annoying. Sorry about that. Hopefully it'll calm down eventually. But yeah, so anyway, I decided to go just really loose with the line work, really messy, I guess it is. And in the picture there's these, I do these in red, but in the picture they're pink, just these really gorgeous huge flowers overlooking from wherever the person taking this photo is standing. So I put those in as well. And it's not to scale, it's not exact, far from it, but it's an expression of the photo. That's what this is. It's a basic idea of it, because I was not going to be doing all them houses, and it's only a little bit of paper. I put it on my computer. I made the photo about the same size as the bit of paper, so, and just copied from there really. I tried to make, as it went back, the windows smaller, if that works, to try and give it some depth to the buildings. And I just coloured them, trying not to like have two colours, like the same colours next to each other. I do a couple of times, but I think that's okay. Sort of makes it look like it's part of the same building in that way. But I tried to spread it all out. And I did, I guess, a little cross hatching here and there for a bit of shadow. I just kind of went for it, to be honest. I wasn't taking it too, not too seriously, but I wasn't worrying, if that makes sense. I was trying not to worry about it all. And that was quite freeing, actually, just to do it. I'm not trying to make them all straight. I'm trying to give them a bit of a curve. I don't know what style this is, or if it's any style whatsoever, but there you go. I enjoyed doing this. I'm looking at it now it's dried. By the way, just to let you know, I muck up the sky. I just muck up the sky. I think I got I've just done a watercolour, so I think I got a bit stuck in my mind that I was using watercolours, and inks, they work kind of like watercolours, but they dry so darn quickly. You can't put something down and work with it really, only for a few seconds. So I do muck up the sky, just warning you. I come back in afterwards and try and go over it a bit, but it doesn't work. So we're just going to ignore that. We're just going to ignore that happened and hope for the best. But you know, if I cover that with my hand, the rest of it I'm quite happy with the colours and stuff. They do mix nicely and they're very vibrant colours. So this was sort of the perfect thing for this, really. I'm trying to do a bit of just a bit more shading. I try not to do too much. If I just use there's my mistake. There's my mistake. One, I'm thinking, well, I'm going to end up making green. What am I doing? And two, as soon as I put that down, because I hadn't really watered it down much, that yellow, yeah, it's not going anywhere. And I cover it up, and I managed to cover it up. In the end, it just ends up, I wanted the sky to be more this red, and it ends up blue because I go over it with blue. I wish I'd kept it just like red and then just the water as blue, but I didn't. We learn as we move on, and we accept things, and it's fine. But yeah, okay, I mucked up my sky. If I could do it again, I wouldn't do that. Oh, I keep trying to do yellow and blue together, and I keep forgetting, yeah, that's going to make green, Sam. To try and, a bit of brightness of the sun in the sky. I'm sure that there's a way of doing it, and I've yet to figure it out. But you keep trying, really, don't you? Anyway, here's those flowers that are pink in the picture, but I've done them red just because it's a nice colour, and I couldn't figure out how to make pink. Watered it down a bit there and used a bit of shading, but yeah, I think that's okay. Yeah, so just colouring in the houses now. I just randomly splodged them across, trying to spread them out. As I said earlier, trying not to get two colours next to each other. I fail, of course, because did I plan this out? No, I did not. I just did it. But there you go. I think it, adds to it somehow. It's only the blues that are together, and that kind of, as I said, makes it look like the same building, I hope. Yeah, anyway, so I do the colours, and then I'm thinking the sun is on just where that bit there I just did, on the front of these houses, or the side of the houses, I guess, as we're looking at them. And so the bits facing us more are shaded, and I used different colours to shade them. Again, I didn't just try and darken the colours down. So I use sort of oranges for the reds and the yellows, and the blue I sort of darken down and use a bit of orange, and I'm just kind of having fun with it. Art is supposed to be fun, right? I'm supposed to enjoy this stuff, aren't I? There you go. I gave up and there's a blue building next to another blue building. But this orange, I love this colour. Just mixing the yellow and the red together to make this was really vibrant, pretty orange, I thought. So I'm happy with that. I think I overwork it a bit in the end, just trying to do more, if that makes sense. And then eventually I had to sort of try and make a brown for they're actually grey, if I'm looking at the picture, the cliffs, because it's obviously built on a cliff. They're grey, but yeah, couldn't figure that one out either. So I made brown, and that counts as earth, right? I think that's okay. But yeah, I really like this box. I like ink. I don't think I'm very good with ink. And I don't know why I like ink, but I really like ink. I think doing certain styles, just the fact that it dries so quickly, really helps with that. Like, I find bird feathers are very good to do in ink because it dries. You just get the shading naturally of the feathers. So I'm happy with this box. I generally do like the Sketchbox boxes. They have some very different, interesting stuff sometimes, but this is quite, stuff I've already got, but I don't mind because it makes me use it. That's the thing. I've got inks, and do I get them out that often? No, I do not. And I wish I did. And trying the chisel nib scare me. I can't do calligraphy. Oh look, there's my brown. It's it's brown. You've got to give me that. But yeah, I don't use chisel nibs very often, so to sort of be forced, I guess, to do this very, very loose, messy line work. Yeah, it was good to be made to do that. I'm just adding, this is sort of like you can see the cliff, but the green of the flowers are overhanging it. That's what I was going for. Did I manage it? Be kind in the comments, please. Oh, but please comment. It helps with the YouTube algorithm or whatever. I don't understand it. But algorithms matter apparently, and I'm pretty sure the algorithm has nothing to do with me whatsoever. But there you go. I'm trying to fix the sky. I just stick a load more blue on it, and I regret that. I wish I'd left it more the red or used the red. I think that would look better, sort of, the blue sea and and a redder sky. A bit of reds and purples would have been nice, but I do my best. I think I almost, looking at the picture, dried. I have covered the yellow, so that's good, right? There's a bit, a bit of red in there. I put a bit more red in there. Yeah. Oh well, once you've done something, you can't really go back. But here we go. I am pulling off the washi, which didn't work as well as I'd liked. It's not as sticky as it needs to be, but it did also rip the paper in places, just that bit up the top there, which is a shame. So yeah, it bled through, but I think for this messy look, it doesn't seem to matter. But yes, anyway, that is what I did, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and please subscribe. It would be awesome to have a bit of help building this channel. It is, you got to admit, it's all right. It's all right art. It'll do you. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please like and subscribe and all of that awesome business, and I will see you next time for wherever we end up. Bye.